How do people actually get rich? It can feel confusing when some people build wealth while others struggle their entire lives. Most people think getting rich requires luck, connections, or being born wealthy. That belief alone stops many from ever trying. The truth is, most wealthy people didn't start rich. They started with basic habits that compound over time, not overnight success. One of the biggest differences is how rich people think about money. They focus on growing money, not just earning and spending it. Instead of spending every paycheck, they save and invest consistently. Even small amounts, invested regularly, grow into something meaningful over time. Rich people also understand time. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more powerful compounding becomes. Another key difference is income growth. Wealthy people look for ways to increase income through skills, businesses, or investments, not just working more hours. They avoid lifestyle inflation. When income goes up, they don't immediately upgrade everything. They put that extra money to work. Getting rich isn't about one big move. It's about many small, smart decisions repeated consistently for years. This is why get-rich-quick schemes usually fail. Real wealth grows slowly, with patience, discipline, and a long-term plan. So how do people get rich? They start early, live below their means, invest consistently, grow income over time, and stay patient. If you want more simple, beginner-friendly videos explaining money and wealth, subscribe to Money Basics Library. Check the description for any related product links that can help you get started. And comment below, what do you think is the biggest reason people don't build wealth?